The 1972 model stands out not only because of its technical specifications but also for its unique charm, especially in the rare and elegant peacock blue color. This color choice adds to its visual appeal and historical value, making it a sought-after collector's item today. Exterior and interior design. The 1972 Fusco 1500's design was built upon the beloved Beetle silhouette, but with notable improvements. The paint, a striking and rare color, elevates its aesthetic to a new level. It shines brilliantly in daylight, accentuating the vehicle's rounded fenders, iconic curved roofline, and chrome accents. The car's signature round headlights, combined with a minimalist front grille and bumper, give it the unmistakable classic Beetle appearance. The wider rear section, housing the larger 1,500 cubic centimeters engine, and the slightly longer wheelbase are notable design changes compared to earlier models. The chrome trim along the windows and doors, coupled with vintage steel wheels and hubcaps, further enhances its classic, timeless look. The interior of the 1972 Volkswagen Fusco 1500 is modest by modern standards, but at the time, it offered a comfortable driving experience. The dashboard is simple yet functional, with essential gauges, including a speedometer, fuel gauge, and temperature controls. The seating is upholstered in durable vinyl or fabric, with plenty of legroom and headspace due to the dome-shaped roof. Despite its simplicity, the Fusco 1500 featured improvements over earlier models, such as a slightly more advanced ventilation system, better noise insulation, and an upgraded steering wheel design. The rear seats offer enough space for 2 passengers, making this a compact yet practical car for small families or couples. The trunk, located at the front, thanks to the rear engine layout, provides ample space for storage, adding to its practicality as a daily driver. Engine and performance. The 1972 Fusco 1500 was a marked improvement in performance over the standard Beetle. Equipped with a 1,493 cubic centimeters, 1.5L air-cooled 4-cylinder engine, it delivered around 44 horsepower, which was higher than earlier models of the Beetle. This increase in power gave the Fusco more robust acceleration and a higher top speed, making it more suitable for longer drives and highway use compared to its predecessors. The air-cooled engine design was a signature of Volkswagen vehicles, prized for its simplicity and reliability, particularly in Brazil's varying climate conditions. The rear engine, rear-wheel drive layout provided good traction, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Combined with the light weight of the vehicle, this resulted in a nimble and enjoyable driving experience, even with modest horsepower by modern standards. Transmission and handling. The Fusco 1500 came with a 4-speed manual transmission, which was standard for cars of this era. The gear shifts are smooth, and the clutch is light, making it relatively easy to drive, even for those not familiar with classic cars. The manual transmission, paired with the rear engine layout, gave the car a well-balanced and responsive feel, particularly when navigating city streets or winding country roads. The suspension system, consisting of a torsion bar front suspension and swing axle rear suspension, provided a comfortable ride for a vehicle of its class. The Fusco 1500 also featured drum brakes on all 4 wheels, which, while not as effective as modern braking systems, were adequate for the car's size and power. Driving experience. Driving the 1972 Volkswagen Fusco 1500 in Peacock Blue is like taking a step back in time. The engine hums with a distinctive air-cooled sound, giving it an authentic, old-school feel. The lightweight body combined with a modest yet efficient engine makes it fun to drive. The steering is responsive, and the suspension provides a surprisingly smooth ride, absorbing bumps in the road with ease. While it lacks the acceleration and high-speed capabilities of modern cars, its charm lies in its simplicity, reliability, and connection to a bygone era of automotive design. With the Peacock Blue paint job, the car commands attention wherever it goes, turning heads not just for its iconic shape but for the brilliance of its rare color.